Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at the E sound. My turn, your turn. E, E, E. Excellent. All right, let's look at this little picture. We've got these two children here who are on a tree and they're looking at something. And the one with the yellow cap is saying, E, what can you see? What do you think he's looking at? What could he see? Okay, so now I'm going to give you a few words. So remember, secret fingers. So you put them behind your back and I'll give you the word and you've got to count the number of sounds. So let's see, the first one is see. What can you see? Fingers. Excellent. Two sounds. So we got S, E, C. Fantastic. Magic fingers. The next one is three. Three. Fingers. Excellent. Three sounds. E. Three. Brilliant. Well done. All right, let's look at a different one. Fingers. Let's see. The word is sleep. Sleep. How many sounds? Four sounds. Brilliant. We've got S, E, P. Sleep. Brilliant. Fantastic work. Let's try one more. Secret fingers. The next one is going to be green. Green. Fingers. Four fingers. Amazing. Let's see. G-R-E-N. Green. Amazing work. Well done, guys. All right, so when we look at this, we say, what can you see? Okay, and let's look at this. When you see these special friends, we say E. So, what can you see? E. Brilliant. So let's see. One last time. Amazing work. Well done, guys. Okay, now we're going to do the speed sounds. So I'm going to give you a whole series of sounds that we've already learned up to now. And you've got to tell me as quickly as possible, okay, what the sound is. So here we go. E. A, which is the one we did on Monday. So well done. I'm going to try it one more time, but this time I'm not going to give you the sounds. Okay, you have to try it on your own. I know you guys can do it. So here we go. Well done.